This is one of the largest cities in Anambra State. Yeah, there's even a claim that it's even more industrious than Onitsha, owing to the fact that the first made in Nigeria keke was done here, and it also has a lot of industries and a lot of manufacturing plants, even like Innoson Motors has their presence here. Yes, this is Nnewi Town. Do you agree with this claim that it's more industrious than Onitsha in Anambra State? Give me your honest review as we go on this video. And funny enough, we've been visiting Anambra even without paying a closer look or doing a video in Nnewi. But on this trip, we decided that we are going to capture the beautiful environment of Nnewi Town and bring it to you guys. So guys, let's go explore the beautiful city of Nnewi. So if you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do what to click the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. And for returning subscriber, as always, thank you very much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. So we are live in the city of Nnewi this morning to show you guys the beautiful environment of Nnewi. It's been quite a long time I visited Nnewi, and from the view I'm seeing currently, it's obvious a lot has not changed. One thing that is very conversant, or it's a trademark in Nnewi, is the presence of this bike. By the time you get to the city center now, you will see a host of bikes surrounding your vehicles from left, right, and center. Everywhere will just be bikes. So extreme care needs to be taken when driving around the city. Yeah, it's a very industrial city as far as Anambra State is concerned, because the first made in Nigerian keke was done in this city. And also a lot of industries are here, even Ibeto. A lot of industries also have their presence around this beautiful city. And there's also a claim that they have more billionaires in Anambra State than any other community in Anambra State. I don't know how true that claim is. I don't have friends who are billionaires from this city. So if you agree to that claim, do well to also let us know and give us your reason why you agree to that claim in the comment section. And just to mention, the teaching hospital of Nayut, which is University of Unizik, it's also resident here. Yeah, this is where the hospital Nayut is, which is for the teaching hospital for Unizik is here. So the teaching hospital attracts quite a good number of persons to the community for healthcare services. And now they've even splitted the hospital into two. They have one in the city center, which was their main place before, but now they've extended to Akamiri, which is also a neighboring community just within Nnewi town as well. So they have a new site at Akamili where some of the activities are done, because the space they have in the city center is quite a very small space that don't accommodate a lot. So I'm kind of heartbroken visiting this town, because there's not much difference from what it is from the last time I visited. The last time I came here, though the road was looking a bit much bad than this, but I'm not seeing a major work done. I think just sand poured on the road and a lot of those potholes sand filled. I think that's just the only thing I am seeing, because these roads are not tarred. And not just here, we'll be going to other part of the city where you'll be seeing a lot of the road being bad, and this thing is becoming a normal thing within Anambra State. When you drive around neighboring communities in Anambra State, navigating through Anambra State, the roads are quite very, very, very bad. I don't know why. So but I think the state government is to step up activities within its city centers to just give it a little bit of facelift as far as the road is concerned. If you are from Nnewi or from neighboring communities around here, do well to rep your location. Do well to let us know we are in your community. And just to mention as well, we'll be taking a trip very soon to Oba. Let's go experience Oba. For as many of you who know Obi Kubana, that is his hometown, and we'll be passing through Oba very soon by the time we are done with activities around Nnewi. Just like I mentioned before, bikes is one thing that is very common in the town. I remember way back when I was coming to this town without driving, I used to jump bike a lot, and it's quite an awesome experience, but though so very scary too, because any little touch, they are down, and you can sustain lots of injuries. So if you are driving here for the first time, please do well to observe, be very cautious, do well to look very well before you make a turn, or before you make a swerve, just ensure you pay attention to both sides, both your left and your right, because the bikes can just appear from anywhere. And you need to go extremely slow as well, because the bad road is also contributing to some level of traffic within town. If you go towards their market axis, which I always try to avoid whenever I'm in town, you see lots of traffic. You need to move at a very slow pace, and a lot of these their traffic lights are not even working again within the town. So they have these guys on yellow, just like you have in Oka, also assisting to control traffic within the town, just to ease it up a little. And this area we are now, the teaching hospital, is just by our left hand side. It used to be very traffic prone when the hub of activity for the teaching hospital was still very much around here. So it used to be highly traffic prone, but all of this reduced when the hospital was split in two, when they moved the other part to Akamili. So there was a bit of space, the traffic reduced around here. So, students are also here, the medical students are also here. So it just helped reduce a lot of things by the time the hospital was separated to Akamili. So I think that's why this part is looking a bit very free now. So which is a good it's a good thing to see that, yeah, it's free, because the space they have inside the hospital is very small, could not really accommodate a lot of department that they wanted to introduce to the hospital. So that is it. So all of this part of the section of the road is good. Driving towards the church up front now, as if you are leaving Nnewi, is still a very bad spot. In fact, that spot was so bad that this is dry season. The rains have not started falling, even though it's supposed to be rainy season. So those sections of the road are still looking good. But once the rain starts falling, you can't drive through that part. In fact, there was a day I came, I had to park my car way behind the church just for me to take a bike to conduct the activities I needed to do within the town, because I could not imagine me driving through that mud and potholes, because a lot of cars got stuck on that very day. So I didn't want to take the chance at all. So I had to just park and use the bike. So that is it. So if you are coming here and you don't want to stay in traffic and all of that, just board a bike and you are good to go. So please, I learned a lot of millionaires in the town, so I'm expecting somebody to just say hi to me and give me at least, even if it's 1 or 2 million, I would really appreciate. So that's it, by the way, sir. So like I said earlier, if you are from here, do well to rep in the comment section. If you are still seeing this video and you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do well to click the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell to be part of our family. And for returning subscribers, always, we do appreciate your love for our channel. Thank you very much. We appreciate all your support. Do well to let us know what you think of Nnewi town in the comment section. Let's get your honest review. And just to mention, the day I drove from Nnewi to Adazi, in fact, that road was bad, very bad, to Adazeni. So the road was very bad. I don't know how good it is now. So if you've used that route in recent time, do let me know, because I'm having an activity coming up at Adazi within the year. So I would really love to know the state of that road. I've not been there for a while now, because the last time I used it, it was very painful seeing the state of the road leading to Adazi. So do let me know in the comment section if you have used that route in recent time, and just update me with the current state of the road to Adazi. So that will be good to see from any of you. So we'll continue the drive now. Like I mentioned earlier, this is the road leading us straight down to Oba, and Oba you can divert to your right, taking you to Onitsha, or to your left, taking you back to Owerri. So we actually came in from Owerri today, so we didn't come in from the Oba axis. We needed to go to Akamili, so we diverted before we got to the Oba junction. For those who are familiar, they understand what I'm talking about. So that's why we didn't enter from the Oba axis area of the town. So but returning back now, because of activities within town, we need to return back through Oba. So there are quite a lot of road if you are coming from Owerri that you can use to navigate into Nnewi town, be it as it may. So we'll continue. And during Christmas period as well, December period, this is a very bubbling town. And I must say of the truth, the activities around here is still much, but I think Onitsha for me still wins the commercial hub as far as Anambra State is concerned. Yeah, no disrespect to Nnewi, Nnewi still has a good activities or business activities going on, but I think Onitsha still holds seats for me. So if you feel Onitsha it is for you, also do let me know in the comment section. So we'll just keep the drive going around, showing you the environment. Another thing I would suggest again as we go on this trip, all of this section of the road was very bad before. Some work has been done here. I'll call it palliative work. And again, one thing I would suggest again is that these sounds, if constant maintenance is done to see how they can take away this sound away from the road, I think it will help a lot in preserving the state of the road. Because if you just look at it now, the sound is gradually entering the road, and over time it just destroys the road. That's the truth, and I think that's what has been happening, because around this section before used to be very terrible. Around this church area used to be very terrible before. It was not of late, it's just of late that some work was done around here just to keep it, and you can see already that the work is already breaking out. Despite the fact it is newly done, it's already breaking out, and I can hold it to the fact that these sounds are entering the road so much. I think daily cleaning or daily sweeping or whatever they can do to just take away this sound away from the road every day will really help in preserving the road for a longer duration of time. So all of these sessions are newly done, but they are not looking new at all because of the sand that is washing into the road. So you can see all of these sessions newly constructed but already breaking, and before you know what is happening, by the time the rain comes, it might just entirely wash off and will return back to where we used to be. So help us share this video, help us share it so relevant authorities can get to see it and know about it, and probably other measures can be taken in preserving the state of the road. I feel Nnewi should be more beautiful than this due to its hub of activities that goes on daily basis around the city. But by and large, it's still a very nice city to visit, still a very nice city to visit, I must say. And you cannot talk about Anambra State without mentioning Nnewi as part of the top cities or communities you must visit. So that's one thing it still holds. Again, if you are seeing our video for the first time and you are not yet a subscriber, kindly do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you can be part of our big family. And for returning subscribers, really do appreciate your love for our channel. Thank you so much. Like I said earlier, do also give us your thoughts, your honest review about this video in the comment section. Let us know what you think about Nnewi in general. And like I mentioned, we'll be taking a drive to Oba soon, and we'll be giving you a view of what Oba looks like before we return back to Owerri. So let me know what you think about Nnewi in the comment section. And for those who are not also aware, Nnewi and Oba, they literally are sharing boundaries. So you can even drive from Nnewi into Oba without even knowing you are in Oba already. So this straight road just takes you into Oba. So you might not even know when you get into Oba except you pay attention very well. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for staying with me. See you in our next video. Bye.